Where do you take a bruised heart? It lies in your bosom, now and then reminding you that, oh yes, I am hurt and it is not getting healed. You try to bury this pain by taking your attention away from it. It is temporary, but you still do it. The thing that you keep on hearing from inside may fade away, but it never goes away completely. Hopelessly, you try everything and you fail terribly. Where do you take a bruised heart? You want a happy forever after. You forget the fleeting moment and continue to revel in the attraction of something that exists only in your head, the future. Your bruises don't let you feel eternity in the moment. So I want to tell you this. For one moment, just for one moment, believe that you don't have any choice except to go after your dreams. Just jump off the cliff and watch what happens. Eternity is ticking away while you are busy pondering. How you live, that is important. It's you who has to take care that you feel good. Don't well up tears all the time in your eyes. You look much better without that frown on your forehead. Love yourself, darling. Just jump off that cliff. This is a note to self that I wrote some time back. I think I'll tell you the precise date. It's June 12, 2017 at 11:50 p.m. I'm not sure if you would be able to see this. Let me try if you can see this. So it's June 2, 2017. I hope it captured it. I don't know. So the last YouTube video that I had posted, it had me dreaming of another me to whom I always look up to, and I always have this thing that I like to inspire myself, and I feel that in the process it helps me to be myself, and it also helps me to have something that I can share with you. So I hope you liked this one. I hope it inspires you, maybe not today, maybe some other day when you come back to watch it again. And thank you so much for watching.